In this video, I will show you how to edit the video to prepare it for a future lesson. Once you've selected your video, click on it and it will appear in the video preview page. After watching your video, determine how you want to edit it. You'll notice that this particular video is 14 minutes in length. Let's edit it by clicking the Edit button. Once we get into the Edit screen, we see our play button at the very bottom. We can trim or crop our video from the beginning of the video or the end of the video by clicking on the vertical line and moving it.
Anyway, right now.
So I can crop from the end or I can crop from the beginning. I can also take a section of the middle of the video out by moving my playhead to the part that I want to cut and then clicking the Add Cut button. You'll notice you're going to see two vertical lines appear. Now I've got to move my playhead to the end of the section that I want to cut and click Add Cut again. So what I'm trying to do is to delete this section in the middle. If I move my vertical bar with my mouse on top of the other vertical bar until I see the delete icon and then release my mouse, I now see that I have removed the middle section of this video. I can play the video and the video will play entirely. It will not skip this gray section here. I might want to change my mind about how I have cropped this video. I can click the reset button and then it will go back to its original state. Now it's time to add some questions to my video. Let's click on questions. And we have three types of questions we can add. We can add a note, an open-ended question, or a multiple choice question. We're going to add an open-ended question and ask the students to define digital citizenship in your own words. If I wanted to add an image or a link to a web page or a formula or bold or enhance my text, it's in these ways, I could use this toolbar at the top of my text box. If I wanted to allow for an audio response, I would just turn that on, but I want my students to respond written. Now I'm going to save this question. And once I save the question, you'll notice that a little teardrop icon appears. This is my question and I can move it anywhere on the video that I want it to be. So let's say I'll move it there and click continue. I also want to add a multiple choice question. I click on multiple choice. I type my question. What are two pillars of digital citizenship? I need to add some choices for the response. In my first box, I'm going to type protect and identity. In my second box, I'm going to type respect and identity. Now I can add another box to make my question more challenging by clicking this plus button. And my third choice is going to be respect and protect. This is actually the correct answer, so I want to make sure I click this green check mark so that Edpuzzle can grade my question for me. You'll notice that the questions that are incorrect have red X's by them. I want to click save, and then I will see my question appear on top of the other one, and I again just drag it and put it where I want it to be. At this point, you're finished editing your video and you'll be ready to assign it to your class.